Right now, traditional banks are quietly making money off your savings, and it's costing you hundreds, maybe even thousands in lost interest. Most of us were taught to put extra cash into a standard savings account. But in a world where prices keep rising, standard usually means your money is slowly losing value. Today, we're breaking down high-yield savings accounts, or HYSAs, and why this simple switch is one of the easiest wins you'll ever find in personal finance. The average big bank savings account pays around 0.01% interest. To put that in perspective, if you leave $10,000 there for a year, you'll earn exactly $1 before taxes. Meanwhile, high-yield savings accounts are often paying 4 to 5%. Inflation is like an invisible tax on your savings. If your money isn't growing at least as fast as prices are rising, you're effectively becoming poorer every day you leave cash in a traditional account. A high-yield savings account isn't about getting rich. It's about treading water. It helps your emergency fund keep its purchasing power, so $1,000 today still feels like $1,000 next year. Let's make this concrete. Imagine two friends, Maya and Jordan. They both have $5,000 saved for emergencies. Jordan keeps his money in the same big bank savings account he's had for years, earning 0.01% interest. At the end of the year, his bank gives him about 50 cents. Maya moves her money to a high-yield savings account, paying 4.5%. At the end of the year, she has around $225 in interest, just for clicking a few buttons. They both have the same level of safety, but Maya's money is actually working while she sleeps. So is there a catch? Not really. Most high-yield savings accounts are offered by online banks. They don't have expensive physical branches, so they pass those savings on to you through higher interest rates. When choosing one, there are 3 things to check. First, make sure it's FDIC insured. This is non-negotiable. It means your money is backed by the government, up to the legal limits. Second, look for 0 monthly fees. A savings account shouldn't cost you money to exist. And third, make sure the cash is liquid. You want to be able to move your money back to your main bank in a few days, not weeks, if an emergency hits. If you decide to open one, keep 3 simple rules in mind. First, don't use it for daily spending. Keep it separate so you're not tempted to dip into it. Second, automate your savings. Even $20 per paycheck adds up when interest is working alongside you. And third, treat the interest as a bonus for your future self, not extra spending money today. Moving your savings into a high-yield account is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it move. It strengthens the foundation of your finances and quietly protects you from inflation. If this helped, hit subscribe for more calm, practical breakdowns. And next week, we're covering a common mistake that quietly wipes out new investors and why your emergency fund must come before your first stock purchase. Until then, learn here, research more, and then decide for yourself.